Ninja Kiwi is hosting a map concept competition on the BTD6 subreddit for anyone to enter. I will link the post that goes over exactly how to enter, but in short, you design a map using this template and submit it. Now I combed through tons of these, and here are my top 3 maps that I saw. Coming in third for me is Infinity, submitted by Garlic Bubs, which brings a new mechanic to Bloons in that there is no exit. Instead, every time the Bloons complete a loop, they take a life, but instead of ending there, they keep on going. So leaks are even more deadly, as the same Bloon can leak more than once. The second best map that I saw is Whirlpool by Muda Mark, where the Bloons will float around the Whirlpool before exiting, and you can place monkeys on the floating logs that also circle around the Whirlpool. This map could be super fun, and I'd love to see it in BTD6 at some point. I just worry about getting annoyed by having to time when to start the rounds to ensure my monkeys are in the right spots. But the favorite map that I saw was easily the Glue Factory by Dusney. In here, monkeys can only attack through the cracks in the glass tubes or if they have the high ground. But my favorite part about it is that all non-mob class Bloons get glued upon entering the map. Now, it isn't anything crazy, just a 20% slow, but it is a cool feature since they are in a glue factory. Now, it would be remiss of me not to enter this competition myself, so I present to you Blans. Gone are the days of Blans being the hardest map, as here you have to guard 4 corners of the map instead of just focusing on one track. We kept the same length around the corner and the pool of water so it has the same feel as Blans, but Blans is clearly much better and is the next step in challenge editor games.